Hey friends, welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. Today we are making Mom's bread sauce all the way from England. My husband's been asking me to make this for years, and today I finally did it, and he said it tastes just like hers. So join us, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes. Today we make Mom's bread sauce.
This right here is all you need to get down on bread sauce, baby. Chop up 1 full onion, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, 4 tablespoons of cream, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 2.5 cups of milk, a half a stick of butter, 6 cloves, and 3 sprigs of thyme. Simmer your milk, onion, cloves, garlic, thyme, and butter for 20 minutes.
That just drops in like that.
I guess so.
Listen to the cat. I think he likes the dress. Anyways, we have 20 minutes now for this to simmer. We can tidy up the Christmas tree, and I can also give you a little history lesson. Bread sauce goes way back to medieval times when cooks would use bread because it was less expensive than eggs or animal fat. So for years, it was always on a table for a Christmas feast, and it kind of fell out of popularity a little bit when flour was introduced. However, it remains a classic holiday sauce for over-roasted meats during Christmas.
20 minutes of simmering, we now are going to strain it into another pan. So gently, whoops, remove this from the heat. Oh, here we go, whoops. And yes, oh my gosh, okay. Here we go. There we go. Oy. Now we're gonna go like this, create a huge mess. Move this over, I guess. And return it to the heat. Breadcrumbs.
And your cream.
We added the breadcrumbs and the cream, and then now we are going to just let it simmer for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Stirring it, watching it, then we'll add a little pinch of nutmeg and pour it on top of our chicken.
Just buy the rotisserie. They'll never know. Anyone else hate pulling a rotisserie out of a bag? Yeah.
So we've just simmered for 2 to 3 minutes. I went 3, and then we are adding a pinch of fresh nutmeg. I never know really what a pinch is, so we're just gonna pretend that's what a pinch is. And now we're ready to serve on top of our chicken. Okay, so this is our sauce. I'm not sure, it looks a little chunky to me. But I'm gonna have Chris come in here and give it a try right now. So let's see what he thinks. Yeah?
Very, very good. Very impressed.
Yeah.
A little bit more garlic than we used to have as kids, but
Okay.
that's really, really good. Good
cool.
job.
Yay!
It's food.
Is that what it's supposed to look like? All right, so I think that once this is served, it's gonna look really pretty. Right now, not so much. Okay. Don't tell anybody I'm eating out of the pan. That's really good.
Thanks for cooking with us again this week, and we did not burn dinner. Yoo-hoo! So please subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes, and thanks for joining us and learning how to make Mom's traditional English bread sauce. See you guys soon.